Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy with a special invitation to our Italian Expo coming up September 30th. The theme is no risk, no Rari. The point I want to make is that everything is risky. Everything of value in this life is on the other side of risk. Risk is not your enemy. It's something you should love and embrace with skill. We've got 4 different speakers. Devin Elder will be here to talk about a full circle apartment complex. Craig and Linda McKinley, building cash flow and long-term wealth with apartments. Michael Guthrie, triple net commercial case study. And then John Manes will be here to talk about building wealth with self-storage. Our special keynote speaker is Jovan Glasgow. This guy is phenomenal. Now, the whole event is benefiting Paws for Heroes. Paws for Heroes is a company that rescues dogs and trains them to be service animals and gives them to vets with PTSD for free. No charge to the vets. They have a 90+% success ratio. Ferrari Club of America is also going to be here, and they are going to bring between 10 and 14 cars. You'll be able to take pictures with them. Your kids can sit in them if you bring your children. And I'm going to donate $500 for every Ferrari that shows up to the first 10, so up to $5,000. We're going to give you the opportunity to donate $10 a car, $20 a car, or whatever you choose if you choose to donate to Paws for Heroes. So please mark your calendar. We will be here September 30th, 9 a.m. to 1 will be the speakers. When we break, we've got catering from Grotto's, one of my favorite Italian restaurants, and my favorite pizza, Pizzaro's Pizza. We look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for watching.